that the unity of DCB is slightly, what to say, it is decreasing. Like might be, uh, if you have some time, might be you can spare like on every birthdays or something like that. You can once again start doing that, like birthday cake cutting or something like that, where it would improve the team effort or something like that. Might be once again, might be some volunteers can uh, take an initiative, something like this. This is very new to DCB, like where the players have been put forward all these things. So it's a nice, good initiative. So might be something like that. Initially, when we add, we usually take half an hour of every birthday. So, but I don't know whether the time allotted for that celebration would be available now, but still might be 5 to 10 minutes. I hope the thing can start.
So that's the proposal of this. So it has to come from this.
No, 5 minutes over, Prakash. Next 5 minutes, talk about the next company where you are going so that
4 letter or 5.
which department you are going.
Yes. So I am going through the same costing team, and I will be taking care of the same parts what I am doing.
So you're going to help the
Do you stay in Chennai or do you?
Okay, Prakash, you still have time. You can share your best memories.
Okay, as far as my best memories are concerned, on the very first day when I came to DCV, I used to many times tell this to my friends here. Like on the very first day when I came to DCV, it was in Olympia Tech. When I just entered and said that I am from DC, I'm going to join in DCV. You're going to join in DCV? What DCV is doing, I don't know. What is the scope of your career in future or something like that, some people were saying. Then I came to the department and sat down and saying, I really don't know much about the costing itself at that time, on the very first day. So when I came and sat there, there were some few enthusiastic DCV people who were in the discussion at that time, like Tyagu, Shivraj and so on. So Tyagu was showing one stamped part. Tyagu was showing a stamped part to Shivraj and asking him what would be the cycle time. He said just like that, it would be 30 seconds or something like that. I was shocked to see that. By seeing a component, he was able to say a cycle time, and I was a little bit worried. I don't have such experience, and how I am going to manage this situation. And within few minutes, like they were discussing that these are the process. It would be like within a few span of time, they were able to say like within a minute also, this is the costing, this would be the price of the component without using any tool and so on. Samson is saying, even now we are doing this. This was the first moment. The second time, like the next person when I met was Vijay Kumar. He was right now he is not there. So when I met him from Olympia Tech, I came here on the very first day itself. That the office is being shifted to R&D. I came there.
Any possibilities you are going to work with Pratik?
Not now. So when I met him, I was asking him like what in DCV they are doing. Like after meeting all the people, like who were there, approximately 10 people were there. So I met him. Then I was asking him what are the people doing here, what type of job they are doing. He showed me a big database, like all the data of the machine, what he has collected, how it is been working and so on. and I was astonished to see, like he was saying me, I have collected all these details, I have done the programming for it. So when you click the operations, what would be the cycle time, what is the tool if you are going to use it, what is the something like that, mini OCA, not a big MGV tool, I think. He did that and he was showing to me, and on the very first day I was impressed with his work, but I don't know how I could manage with these types of things in the future. That was the second one, which made me more afraid of the work that I would get. And the third person who I met was a most interesting person. His name is Tashin Sharp IAS. Usually the IAS is something like
Bureaucrat.
yes. In India it is like a very bureaucratic level. So when I met him, he just consoled me. These people are always like that. Yeah, I know. There is nothing to worry. There is nothing to work right now. He was the most interesting person I met him. On the very first day, he consoled me that there is nothing to work as of now. Don't worry. But these people are like that. They want to show off or something like that. And within a span of 1 week, I was able to read everyone, and I felt the most happiest person to have been come in DCB and get together with him.
Mine more for get together.
Columbus discovered dash dash dash. Prakash discovered dash dash dash.
Second, one more important, your joint venture is.
So there were some comments that been passed on me, like I have a joint venture with some of the local hotels or shops for the lunch or the dinner, which is not true, Ravi. I hope you should have known by now. Even I am not taking from the same restaurant.
How about Kalpaka?
No comments, sir.
Avadana Prakash.
ಇದರ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ
மூச்சு அடிச்சு போய் நிக்கிறான்.
How many people in DCB one? 11. We're gonna have a birthday. Celebrate birthday in your
No, but
continue. How long did you continue?
we continued for 2 years.
We have just 12 months in a
35
year.
35 people.
No. Prakash, DK wanted to speak, but he's not speaking. But you can speak on behalf of
பாவிகளா
Please.
So about VK is like
no offense.
I have learned many things about from him. The one thing is like many people were saying like I am confident or something like that. But if you see the confidence level of VK, I am just to his feet. Because he is so confident in saying his thoughts or something like that before anyone. It may be Frederick Oliver or it may be anyone else. And the interesting thing is like I have heard many times from the admin team or even from some HR team making some comments that when you go to DCV, be prepared yourself or else they will whack you. And there was an instance like there was one survey which happened from the HR team, and it was the team without any preparation they came to us, and they were showing some slides and explaining us what is the results of the survey and so on. So there were many questions that have been posted from us, and there was almost a small
I think after
warfield was going on there.
the
at that
female
time.
resigned, I think.
Pardon?
The female who presented after that, she resigned.
And once that is finished, and there was a discussion with the HR team stating that we got a good workings from DCB. It is only because of we didn't prepare and went. And usually for any presentation or something like that, we need an extra effort to be put forward when you give a speech or something to DCB. And the next thing happened is like when Nagaoka-san and everyone came, there was a special training given to Mogan Das. Since he was the part of the HR team who was handling at that time the DCB, it was like they were giving special instructions to him that don't give any words
After that, they stopped.
before the DCB
No.
and so on.
After that, they stopped to come to this.
And Arabia was not the part of the team at that time, and he suddenly came off in spite of his meetings. He cancelled the meetings and he came. It is because it is the DCB. So we should be very careful with the DCB team.
You are talking about DK, right?
No, I am talking about the totally DCB.
நம்ம சென்ட் ஆஃப் பாட்டீங்க என்ன அனுப்பிடுறாங்க.
So the main thing what I want to convey is like it is all because of the unity or something like that. So try to maintain that. Thank you.
We all miss you, Professor.